Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can create an outline text in Figma. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to figma.com and log in to your Figma account. From here, we can either start working on a previous design that we've been working on or start a new one. So, click on Design. The first thing that we need to do is to add our text. So, go to the bottom panel and click right here to add the text. Say, it's going to be workspace. Now, go to the right panel and enlarge the font size so we can see it better. And then, let's scale it so it would be a one-liner. Now, the next thing that we need to do is remove the fill by clicking here and then add a stroke, as you can see right there. Now, what would be the position? Is it going to be center, inside, or outside? And then we can also choose the weight right here. Let's say 20. So you can see it now has a beautiful outline right here. And a configuration that we can also do is to change its color. So simply drag it here or choose a different color. It's up to us. And that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!